Why should they suffer? Why should they pay? Why should they do this every day? Their cuts and bruises aren't healing as they do this day by day. It's like you have feel but have no feeling. Stop child labor. Hello all. Today we're going to discuss about child labor laws in India.
It's a glad welcome. We bring you all to this video which explains the child labor laws in India. The slides are prepared by Sudiksha Das, explained by me Vanshita Sani, Rajbir Kaur and Akansha Vardhan. It is edited by Vaidehi Kontia. We are the students of class 8A of Kamal Junior College, Jamshedpur.
Today we will cover the following topics: Introduction to Child Labour, Acts of Child Labour, the National Policy on Child Labour, a Legislative Action Plan, Right to Education Bill, Hazardous Occupations, Constitutional Provisions for Child Upliftment, various laws of child labour, conclusion.
Introduction. The term child labor is often defined as work that deprives children of their childhood, their potential, and their dignity, and that is harmful to physical and mental development. Child labor acts as a hindrance to the economic and social development of the country. It has to be resolved to have a better future. People and governments should come together to fight this evil.
Article 24 of the Indian Constitution clearly states that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or employed in any hazardous employment. The Child Labour Act of 1986 designates a child as a person who has not completed their 14th year.
The National Policy on Child Labour, a legislative action plan focusing and convergence of general development programs for benefiting children wherever possible. Project-based action plan of action for launching of projects for the welfare of working children in areas of high concentration of child labour.
A legislative action plan. Any person who employs any child in contravention of the provisions of Section 3 of the Act is liable for punishment with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 months, but which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which shall not be less than rupees 10,000, but which may extend to rupees 20,000 or both. The central and the state governments enforce the provisions of the Act in their respective spheres.
In 2009, the Government of India made a move of far-reaching consequences by introducing the Right to Education Bill. The implementation of this act at the grassroots level is a key to the eradication of the problem of child labour that has plagued India for centuries.
Hazardous occupations: transport of passengers, goods or mails by railways, cinder picking, clearing of an ash pit or building operation in the railway premises, handling of toxic or inflammable substances or explosives, domestic workers or servants, automobile workshops and garbages, handloom and power loom industry, mines, underground and underwater and collieries.
Constitutional provisions for child upliftment. Article 21, Right to Education. Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in factories. Article 39, the state shall in particular direct its policy towards securing.
Various laws of child labour. In addition to the constitutional prohibition of hazardous child labour, various laws in India such as the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000 and the Child Labour Prohibition and Abolition Act 1986 provide a basis in law to identify, prosecute, and stop child labor in India.
Conclusion. After strengthening the legislative framework through amendment in Child Labour Act, Government has framed the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Rules 2017, which inter alia specifies the duties and responsibilities of state government and district authorities to ensure effective enforcement of the provisions of the Act. Government has also devised a standard operating procedure SOP as a ready reckoner for trainers, practitioners and enforcing and monitoring agencies, and the same has been forwarded to all states UTS. Hope you like our video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also comment your views in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.